Since we're talking about semantics, and I think we've mentioned this a little bit in class briefly, but something that's really important to know about is rich snippets and structured data. So if you go to Google and search for rich snippets or structured data, Google, or microdata, Google. So if I went to Google and search for microdata, Google, it would bring me to that page I was just at, not that one, but this one, right? And the reason you want to do that is because if you tag all of your elements on a page with microdata, it will show up things like how many reviews are there, what's the rating, how long does it take to cook this, how many calories are there. And one of the things you can learn at this page is there's something here called schema.org, right? So here's about structured data, where you can learn a little bit more about structured data. Not a very helpful page. And then you have schema.org right here, FAQ. And if you come in here, it tells you what is schema.org. It's a collaboration by Google, Microsoft, and Yahoo to improve the web by creating a structured data markup schema supported by major search engines. And why microdata? Why not other formats? Historically, we've supported 3 different standards. Instead of having webmasters decide between the 3, we decided to focus on just one format for schema.org. In addition, a single format will improve consistency across search engines relying on the data. And and to get an overview of microdata as well as conventions followed by schema.org, take a look at the schema.org Getting Started Guide. So you could come to schema.org and you could start to explore this. And the point isn't to overwhelm you. So I actually recommend, if you're just learning, stay away from this for a while. The point is just to create familiarity. So once you've learned the basics and you're ready to sort of start adding in additional stuff, you could come here and you can learn about schema.org and microdata and what you do. I'm just checking. Search for microdata. There we go. And what you do to use microdata to get your code marked up. So I just want to make sure you're familiar with it.